Is it just me, or do y'all feel like everything in the world just doesn't make sense? What is up? It's your girl Shikali here, back at it with another video. So as y'all can tell by the title, this is going to be a get ready with me, and I actually did talk in this one because I just felt like I haven't spoken to y'all in a little minute. So it was like a little get ready with me but hair edition, and I hope you all enjoy this video. As y'all can see, this wig is just giving everything. It's giving lace, it's giving I was born this way, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, I'm really obsessed with the way that this turned out. Like the color and everything is not even black, y'all. It's like a natural brown to me. I feel like it's not too bright, it's not too dark. Like you can tell, like it's not black, but it's not like super bright and brown. And I just love the way that this looks. I love the curl texture, everything. Okay, so enough bragging about the hair. Let's just jump into the video so y'all can see how I got this look. All right, y'all, so we have our wig here. This is from Asteria hair. This is their little goodie bag that they sent. We got an edge brush inside. We have eyelashes, and we have a headband. So we got that out the way. This is the wig right here, right? It's like a cute, nice brown. I believe this is a 22-inch. I forgot the texture, but all of the information will be down in the description box down below. So just check out their information if you're interested in this wig. So I already did my ball cap method, and it's giving... It looks good. I think it looks good. So now we are about to put this wig on. So before we put the wig on, let me just tell y'all, this wig, the lace on it, the knots on it came like so small. And I literally had to do little to no plucking. Like that's very rare for me, but it happened. I did go in and bleach the knots because although they are lightened because this is brown hair and not black, I still like my knots to be bleached. So that's what I did. And I left it on for about 15 minutes so that it can get a little bit lighter for me. And yeah, then I went in and I plucked. But y'all, I don't even know if I can show y'all the lace, but let's see. Like, look at that. Do y'all see this? Wow. This is about to lay so nicely. It's about to look so bomb, okay? So we're about to put this wig on, and then we're gonna figure out the rest. I need my mirror. Where's my mirror? Because I can't see like this. Oh. Here she is. So about to put this wig on really quick. I'm also filming a TikTok while I'm making this video, so I figured I might as well just talk to y'all because, you know, I'm not gonna have any music playing, so, you know, it works out. And it's looking like my Face ID on my phone can't recognize me because I'm bald-headed. Alright, so we about to put this wig on. I'll be talking to the both of y'all at the same time, okay? So let's put this baby on. See what we're working with. Oh, she's cute. She's giving. I'm excited. Let's do it. Let's do it. So I'm about to put my foundation on it. I'm sorry. I really thought that I could have talked to y'all without the AC being on, but it's just hot. So I'm sorry if it's too loud. Like, it's just really loud and obnoxious. I'm sorry, but it's hot. So I gotta put the AC on. I'm sorry. Now I'm just cleaning off my skin with some alcohol. Y'all know the drill. You cannot put glue on your skin while there is like excess anything on there. Like your skin has to be completely cleared off. So that's what we're doing. I just do little dots of this across my hairline. Alright y'all, so this is the wig on, and oh my gosh y'all, it is giving. Like I'm excited. Let's do it. I have to turn my AC on because it's too hot. Like I can't put my wig on while I'm hot. So I'm going in with the bow hold. I already cleaned my edges up, and I just do little dots of this across my hairline. And then just smooth it out with the rat tail, just like this. This is the third and final layer of our glue. I'm trying to figure out if I should apply my wig in a different way today or just stick to, you know, what I know. So I was thinking about cutting the lace off before I glued it down. I don't know if I'm gonna do it that way. I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. But I don't know. Okay, so this is the third layer. We're gonna wait for this one to dry, and then we're gonna figure out what we're doing. Well, I have to figure it out before it dries, obviously. So yeah, we'll see. Is it just me, or do y'all feel like everything in the world just doesn't make sense? I feel like at this point, like, we just keep getting hit with so many different things, and it's like, oh my God, can we catch a break, please? Like, can we catch a break? It's just one thing after another, I'm so over it in a way that you won't even know. Like, I'm over it entirely. I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna do the part or, okay, but first, Chica, let's figure out if we're going to cut this before we put it down. I feel like I am. So we're gonna cut that. Should I go in with the razor? I'm scared. Okay. Let me just do that side. I'm so nervous. This is like my first time doing it this way. I never do it this way. But I just want to see if, you know, I can apply my wig in another way. So yeah, I just cut it off in the front first because I'm not too sure about the rest of anything else. Okay, I'm very nervous to do it this way, but we're gonna do it. This side.
From 8 until late, I think about you. You're on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no.
Alright, so now I'm just going in with these little cuticle scissors and we're cutting off all the excess lace that we don't need. Gosh, this looks so good. Wow.
Stop making a big deal out of the little things, let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
Yeah. Talk to me nice, baby. Yeah, what were you saying? Yeah. Yeah. This looks so good. The hard part is figuring out how exactly I want to do my hair. So we could do a middle part, right? We could do a middle. We could do a middle. We could do a half up, half down situation. No part. I don't know. I'm feeling the no part. Yeah, I think we're just gonna do a no part today. Hey y'all, so now we're gonna jump into baby hairs. Y'all know I'm gonna do my usual 2 on the sides and my sideburns. And that's just how we move in. That's how we always come in. If you go to church, if she ain't got a butt, fucking get a toy. Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on baby hairs are parted out, so now we curl. With your best friends, you don't wanna talk no more about it in the past tense. Get me out my zone. I'm just talking comfort, shy. I ain't giving nothing, you got comfort, shy. I got plenty days you ain't got run for shy. Got that extra beneath and lots of my body. Get into it, come out with you. Get into it. I'm gonna just spray my edge brush like that. See, it's my brush side. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm not so glad that I can have this, babe. So now I'm just pushing the hair back. Once. And then we're gonna tie this down. I don't know if I should do a middle part or not. I don't know. I like the no part. We're gonna do that. So now I'm just about to wet my hair down. Double homicide. I'm gonna go in with the Coily Custard from Miss Jackie's. And I just love this because it smells good and it just holds the curls really nice. So once I put it in, I just like scrunch the ends up like this. So hair is wet down and I'm about to do my makeup really quick, just like a light beat, and then I'll come back when we are done. All right, love, so this is the completed look. All right, y'all, so we are finished. We did our makeup. Our hair is looking so good. Like, I'm so happy I went with this color, this texture, everything. So again, if y'all wanna buy this wig, check the description box down below. All of their information, coupon codes will be listed down there as well. You can get some money and some coins off and still feel like you spent the bag, okay? Because it's just gonna come out looking so good. Like the lace, everything just looks so good. And there's a lot of versatility with this wig. Again, y'all, the lace is just like so invisible. Like, Can you find it? Because I can't. Like, this is crazy. Like, I love this. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below if you have anything to say about this wig. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.